What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. Gonna show you guys how I install the harmonic balancer on these LS engines without any type of fancy installer, nothing crazy like that. I'll show you guys. Your OEM harmonic balancer bolt, and if you use this to install it, what happens is the bolt is not long enough to catch threads. If you try to use this, it'll barely catch on 1 or 2 threads, and you can potentially strip the threads. So you need a longer bolt. So I got this one. This one is just about 1/2 inch longer than this one, if you can tell. This one's about 4 inches, and this one is about just shy of 5 inches. Little over 4.5 inches. Got this bolt in Fresno at a fastener store on Jensen called Frontier Fasteners. I'll add a picture so you guys know where to check them out if you guys are in town. Just take this one in and tell them you want one with this thread pitch just a bit longer. For less than 10 bucks, you can have this in the same day. One this length, because if you get one longer, then you're gonna need a bunch of washers. With this size, you should just need one washer and you should be good to go. When you get a washer, you're gonna want to make sure it's the same size diameter as your harmonic balancer bolt, so that way it'll sit on the harmonic balancer evenly, just like the OEM one does. Now, since we're putting a new crank seal, we want to clean the mating surface, since it's not going to sit in the same place as the old one did. What I use is I use a little Scotch-Brite pad. It should look pretty clean like that. A little bit of oil on the threads. And once you got it started, now then you can use your OEM bolt. Not a lot. I know there's gonna be somebody in the comments asking, why don't I just use the Amazon harmonic balancer installer? Well, you can, but if you don't want to wait for it to come in and you have a local hardware store or a fastener store, you just go pick one of these up. Gets the job done.